How to create datetime objects by parsing strings. There may be times where you have strings and from that you want to extract the datetime objects. So for that, we use the inbuilt method called strp_time. So suppose I have this date, written the variable as date_time, and I've written it as December 17, 2020, 9 a.m. So now I'll import the module datetime. I'll rename it as dt just for the ease of use. And then I will create an object dt.datetime dot strp time date_time, that's our string, and then the format that we want to have this string in. That's basically the syntax of the function strp_time. First we write the string and then we write the format. So here I've written the format as %b, %d, capital Y, and then %i, %m, and then %p. So now I'll print this object. So I'll write date is date_object.date and the time is date_object.time. I write the original date time also. So date time is date_object. So now when I run this code, I'll get date time is 2020-12-17 and then 9 a.m. So now in our string we first have the month. So since we first have the month. If we write the month with just the first three letters of the month, so we have to write the small b. If we write the full name of the month, it will be capital B. If you write the number of the month, that time it will be M. In the case of date, it will be small d, and then we have the year. Now if we write just 20 and not 2020, it would be just small y. But since we have written 2020, it will be capital Y. After that, we have I, M, and P. So I is because it is not written in a 24-hour format, and M is the minutes, and P is whether the primary, it gives the AM or PM. So you can see from the output that all of these things are identified from the string using the format that we have given, and then we have got a default display of the values that we have given. So this is how we extract the date and time objects from the string using the strp_time method.